addition and subtraction of matrices. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications. It's very important to the continuity of this channel. Adding and subtracting matrices is very simple, but before attempting to add and subtract matrices, we will define what we mean by matrix equality. Two matrices are equal if they have exactly the same shape or order, and elements in corresponding positions are equal. That is, Aij equals Bij for all I and j. These matrices are equal because they have the same size or order, and each element of the matrix on the left is equal to the corresponding element of the matrix on the right. These matrices are not equal because they don't have the same order. The matrix on the left has 3 columns, and the matrix on the right has 2 columns. These matrices are not equal because the entries in row 2, column 1 are not equal. We can find the sum or difference of two matrices, A and B, simply by adding or subtracting the corresponding entries in matrices A and B. This is shown below. Given two matrices, matrix A and matrix B, the sum of the two matrices A plus B is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the given matrices. In other words, to add or subtract two matrices, we simply add or subtract corresponding elements. Let's see how it works. Given the following matrices, find A plus B, add corresponding entries, find A minus B, subtract corresponding entries, find A minus C, we cannot subtract these matrices because some entries in one matrix will not have a corresponding entry in the other matrix. A minus C is not defined. This shows us that addition and subtraction of matrices is only possible when the matrices have the same order or same size. Pay attention in this example. This company manufactures 2 types of furniture, armchairs and sofas, and 3 colors for each one. Since the order of the matrix is 2 by 3, the rows represent the armchairs and the sofas. The columns represent the colors. This matrix A represents August, and the matrix B represents September. Now we must add the corresponding elements to get the total of sofas and armchairs sold.